Practical steps. You conduct a gender analysis or a gender and social inclusion analysis. That's the first step. Do a mapping. Who benefits, who doesn't, which groups are being left out of opportunities, resources, and decision making. Remember earlier I said, the ultimate thing is power and agency, not tokenism. So don't just look at who is at the table, but do they have any power at the table? Decision making. If not, what are the barriers? Identify structural, cultural, and systemic barriers that perpetuate inequality. And what does success look like for everyone? Ensure that your vision includes transformative changes for women, boys, girls, and non-binary individuals. So it starts with agenda analysis. Then when you start with the problem statement for your theory of change, have gender in mind. The problem statement that says farmers lack access to credit. For example, that is too generic. Farmers, but yes, women farmers especially, disabled farmers are excluded from credit programs due to lack of land ownership and discriminatory practices. So be specific and name the problem with gender and social inclusion in mind. Then when you're mapping your pathway of change, in your theory of change, try and have a gender lens at every step. At activities level, design interventions that target structural inequalities. Output level, ensure that the results address immediate gender-specific needs. At outcome level, focus on behavior and systems change, and at impact level, aim for long-term changes in gender equality. Step 4, the intersectionality lens. I love our colleague earlier when she said, women are not a homogeneous group. Look at intersectionality. Look at how overlapping identities intersect. So gender, woman, Black woman, young woman, or disabled from a poor area who don't identify in a certain way, they are experiencing a unique form of inequality. And how would your theory of change address that? I spoke on disaggregating your data already, using mixed methods, that is qualitative and quantitative. Quantitative give you the numbers, 500 young, poor women are experiencing X, right? That's the data. And then the qualitative data will tell you about their subjective experiences. Also, use gender sensitive indicators.